Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will take a basic wireframe and turn it into a fully designed pixel perfect web page mockup in Figma. I will guide you step by step through the entire process from creating style guide for colors and typography and components for reusable elements like buttons and icons. But that's not all. I also show you how to use ChatGPT and generate content like headlines, product names, description, and FAQ section, and more. Let's get started. Here I have a wireframe and I will create a pixel perfect web page based on this wireframe. First, we will create style guide. Style guide will have colors, typography, and icons. First, we'll create colors. In colors, we have primary, secondary, accent, and some neutral colors. For color suggest, we'll use ChatGPT. Here I have this prompt, copy prompt and open ChatGPT and paste the prompt. Hit enter. Let's see what ChatGPT suggests. Okay, here we go. ChatGPT suggested sky blue as primary and it also provided XR code also. Copy XR code and come to Figma, then select rectangle tool, click on the frame to create a square shape. Select shape and paste copied code in fill color. Now we have primary color ready. From this primary color, we will create secondary and accent colors. Duplicate primary color shape and place under secondary. Now select this, open fill color and select HSB from dropdown. Now change saturation 6 and brightness 90. Now we have secondary color. Again copy primary color shape and place under accent. Select shape, open fill color. Here change hue to 50, saturation 75 and brightness 94. Now we have accent color also ready. Let's create black and grays. Copy accent shape and place under blacks and grays. In fill color, change HSB to hexacode and use 333 for black. Duplicate this shape and change fill color to 88 and 88, 88. Again duplicate this and change fill color to triple E, triple E. Now we have colors ready. Next we will create type styles. For that we will use plugin. Go to plugins and search for type scales and open the plugin. Here base font is 16 pixel and scale measured that we'll keep the same. And we will change line height to 1.5. We'll also change sample text to as H1. Now click on generate. Now type scale generated. Here we will keep 61 pixel as H1 and 49 pixel going to be H2, 39 pixel going to be H3, 31 pixel going to be H4, 25 pixel going to be H5, 20 pixel going to be H6, 16 pixel going to be paragraph or bold, 13 pixel change to small, 10 pixel change to extra small. Now we will create bold styles for all these font styles. Select H1 to extra small and duplicate it. Now press Command B to make it them bold. Okay, now we have colors and typography styles ready. Next, we will create local style for all these styles so that it will be easy to use these colors and fonts while we are designing. Select primary color and click styles and variables icon in fill section. Here click on plus icon and add name as primary. You can also add description. Click on create style. Next select secondary color and click style and variable icon in fill section. Here click on plus icon and add name as secondary. Click on create style. Next, select accent color and click style and variable icon in fill section. Here click on plus icon and add name as accent. Like this, I will create for blacks and grays. If you go to canvas level, you can see all color styles and their local styles. Now we will create typography styles. For this, we will use textile creator plugin. First, let's select type scale group and right click, then select ungroup. Now select all normal and bold fonts. Go to plugins and search for textile creator and click on the plugin. Now local styles created for all font styles. If you go to the canvas level, you can see all text styles under local styles. Here we can rename styles like for bold, we can add bold. For that, hover the style and click on the edit style icon. Here we can add bold to the name. Like this, we can rename all bold styles. Next, we will create components and variants. Before that, we need to identify for reusable elements in our wireframe. In this wireframe, we have buttons, FAQ section, and tabs can be created as a components because these elements can be reusable throughout the website. For FAQ section, we will have question collapsed and expanded variants. First, let's create button components and variants. We will create two button types, primary and secondary, and four states, normal, forward, pressed, and disable. Let's create all these buttons. First, I will create primary button. For that, select text tool and create text primary button. Now, select text and press Shift A. This will apply auto layout. Now, text converted as a auto layout frame. Select accent color as a fill color and some corner radius 50 pixel and left and right padding 30, top and bottom padding 10 pixel. Select text, press Command B to make it bold. Select text and change fill color to black. Now primary button ready. Duplicate this primary button and create secondary button. For secondary button, change fill color to secondary color. Change text color to black. Now we have two types of buttons. Let's create states for each type. First, duplicate primary button and change fill color to primary. This is for hover state. Duplicate hover button and go to effects in the right panel. Click on the plus icon to add shadow for pressed state. Again, duplicate primary button and change background to light gray and text also dark gray. Like this, I'll create state for all secondary buttons. Now we have all buttons ready. Now we need to do a important step. That is renaming this button in layer panel. Select primary button and go to layers panel. Then rename it as primary normal. Next, select hover state, rename to primary hover. Like this, I will rename all other buttons. Once rename done, select all buttons, click on component icon on the toolbar. Here, select create component set. This will make all buttons in a component set. Now we need to create prototype for these buttons. Select primary button, click on prototype tab in right panel. Now hold the plus icon and drag to the overstate button. Here the default action is on click. Change this to while hovering. Again select hover button and drag to pressed state. Change action to while pressing. For reusable, we don't need any interaction, so we can leave it for that. Like this, I will create for secondary buttons also. Next, we will create FAQ components. First, let's create the FAQ component. Duplicate the FAQ heading and change its font style to H6 bold. Add some sample text like this is an example question. Next, we will add arrow icon for collapse and expand. Go to plugins and search for SVG repo plugin. If it is already open, you can see it in the list. In the plugin overlay, search for down arrow. Now you can see different arrows icons. There are two ways you can add icon to the file. You can click on the icon or you can drag to the file. Now icon is added to the file. Select icon and then hold command, then press delete. This will make icon ungroup. Select text and arrow, then apply auto layout. Now select text tool, draw a text box till where arrow ends, and add this is sample answer as long as goes. Change text to body's text style. Next, select line tool and draw a line and apply light gray color. Select all these and apply auto layout. Now we need to apply resizing options for child elements. Select question and arrow frame and change horizontal resizing to fill. Next, select only question text and change to fill container. Next, select answer text, then change to fill container. Select line and change to fill container. Now, select this auto layout frame and create a component. Next, click add variant icon in toolbar. Next, select answer text, press delete. For expanded question, the arrow should be up. Select arrow and right click, then select flip vertical. Select component and change name to in right panel. Now select expanded state. Change variant name to expanded in right panel. Again, select collapsed state. Change variant name to collapsed in right panel. Next, we will create tabs component for our feature section. Copy FAQ heading and change to tabs. Tab text and change to H6 bold. Then apply auto layout. Add stroke and apply dark gray color. Now we need only border at bottom. For that, click on the strokes per side icon in the stroke section. Here we can add borders only what we need. Here select bottom. Next select tab and create component. This tab we can make as selected. For that, select text, apply primary color. And also select stroke and apply primary color. Now duplicate this tab, then change text color to dark gray and change font style to H6 normal. Select both tabs and create component set. Now change this component set name to tabs. Select first tab variant and change name to selected. Again, select second variant, change name to default. Now, style guide completed. Time to create high-fidelity design. First, I'll take for that, I'm going to select frame tool, and in the right panel, I'm going to choose MacBook Pro 14-inch. Let's move a little bit up the frame. It will be side by side of the wireframe, you can compare, you can see what are the section we need to design, right? And let's increase this frame size as per wireframe. If need, we can change it later, and double click on frame name and change to home page. Okay. Now before creating any design, we need to set up a grid. Actually, if it is a mobile application or web application, it's better to set up a grid system, because grid system will help line things properly in the layout. For that, select frame, and in the right panel you have layout grid section. Click on plus. By default, it will take a grid 10 pixel by 10 pixel grid. Here we have a grid icon, layout grid settings. Once we click on this icon, we'll see other options. Here you see that grid. Click on the drop down and select columns. Now here 5 count, right? Instead of 5 count, we'll have 12 column. We'll keep it color percentage same and stretch to center. Now width is going to be 86 pixel. We'll keep better set. Let's close this grid options. Okay. Now we have grid ready. Let's start designing home page. First we'll design header. In header, select text tool and a little bit zoom. Here we have home, shop, about and contact us. Okay. Let's select text tool and create text home. This home text in the text style, apply H6. 6 a little bit zoom in. Now place to the starting of the grid, starting of the column, and duplicate. Select these 2 text layers and apply art layout. Now change this home to about us and select about us text and press Command D 2 times. This will make 2 more text layers. This one is going to be shop and last one is going to be contact us. Okay. Now we need logo. So go to components and search for logo. Here we have a logo. Drag to the file and place it to left side of the menu. Next we have cart and user icons. Tools, go to plugins and search for iconify. Once plugin loaded, search for cart. There's a lot of, click on any cart icon and we can set color and height. Color will keep gray color and height is 24 pixel and import icon. Here icon is imported, and the same thing like we need user icon. Go to same iconify, search for a user and select this icon, and 24 color is same, import as a component. If you see here, icon is added here. Let's just drag the icon here and close this icon of a plugin and select these both icons and apply auto layout. Now place them right side of the logo, and now select menu and logo and icons and apply auto layout. Now name this as header. In layers panel we can rename it as header. Select header and in right panel click on the align top. This will align top. Now select header and increase the height to the 12 column width. Now in padding, top and bottom padding set as 30 pixel. Here total height is 110 pixel. It will be 80 pixel is fine. Let's make it 15 pixel. Now 80 pixel height. Now let's apply auto resizing options for this header. Select menu and in the right panel select fill container, and again select logo and select fill container, select icons and select fill container. Now if you see, the logo is aligned center. So now we need to align these icons to the right side. Select icon frame and in layout align section you click on align right. Now the icons align right. Next we'll create hero section, heading, subheading and shop now button. For heading and subheadings we'll use ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT for content, right? Here I already generated the content. This is a prompt I'm using. Give me 3 ideas for kids strollers and car seats website, hero headlines and sub headlines. This is the three ideas ChatGPT gave: safety meets styles, adventure awaits, every journey protected. We'll copy this first idea, safety meets styles, and copy. Coming to Figma, select text tool and paste. In the text style, we'll select H2. We'll select H2 meets safety style and keep it there. Copy this heading and go to again go to ChatGPT and copy the sub headline and paste here. This font style is going to be H6, and select the subheading text and decrease the width. We'll add bottom border for the header. Select header and in strokes, add stroke here, and 1 pixel. Color is dark gray, and we need only bottom, right? If you click on this icon, we'll see the different border: top, bottom, left, right. We need bottom. Okay. Now we have heading ready, subheading ready, and now we need button. Shop now button. Go to components and search for button. We have primary here. Drag button to the file. Place below the subheading. Select heading, subheading, and button, and apply auto layout. Now we need image section, right? Let's select rectangle and create a shape for the image. For image section, we will use 6 column, and heading, subheading, and button section we'll use 6 column. Draw a 6 column width of the rectangle and go to Unsplash now. Go to plugins, Unsplash. Using Unsplash, we'll add image. Search for strollers, kids, stroll. Here we see that different images here. I can select any one. Let's see. Click on the image. There is a lot of results from the Unsplash. We can choose any image. Let's see. Good. The hero section image should be more. Since this is strollers and car seats, the image should represent exactly what website do. Let's say here the stroller, there's kid, and click on the image. It will add to the design. Now close the Unsplash plugin. Now image is added. The safety, the heading and subheading and primary section, we need to fill the 6 column and we'll add background. For that, I'll select this auto layout section and place it to the top and left side, and it is the width exactly the 6 frames. Now in auto layout alignment section, you will select align center left. Let's add background for heading section. And fill color, click on plus and select primary color. Now we have primary color selected, and we need a padding for the left side, right? For heading and primary button. Select this frame, and in layout section, horizontal padding. Enable individual padding section, and left side we need align to the second column. Now let's see preview how it looks. Select home page, and in top right you see that the icon, and here you can click on preview or present. Let's take a preview. Let's click on present. Heading, subheading looks good, but we need to change the color, and we need to adjust this space here and image space there in the top of the image. And I can come to the editor. We'll zoom a little bit and select this heading and align to the left side. Increase the width. Select image and height to the align to the top. Okay. Now we can see preview in the, if you hide the grid, you can see the actual design again on the grids. Now let's create free shipping, free refund, and free 10-year warranty section. Before that, we'll change this button name to shop. Okay. Select text tool and create free shipping, and change this font style to H4, H5 bold, H6 bold. Okay. Next, what we have is let's copy this free shipping text and create a free refund, and select these both text layers and apply auto layout, and copy one more text layer and change this to free 10-year warranty. Okay. Now select this auto layout frame and set top and bottom padding to 20 pixel. Let's make it 25, and select this frame and increase the width to 12 column, and this free shipping, free refund, and this text should be aligned in the center. Let's come to auto layout and click on the center align. So we'll add border, so top and bottom border. Here we'll come to the stroke, enable stroke, and color is going to be dark gray, and we need custom border, right? We don't need left side 0 and right side 0. We need top and bottom. Okay. Now we have this section is ready. We'll change text color to, for now we'll keep this text color same. We'll see, maybe if need we can change it. Next we'll create a straller section. Select text tool and create strollers. For this one we'll change to, we already reached H3, how it looks, H4, H4. Let's see preview how with the heading, how big it looks. Okay, it looks fine. Okay, now we'll create product card. Product will have product image, product name, price, and color option. Let's create, we have 12 column. If we divide into 3 column for one product card, will fit into 4 product cards. And create a rectangle at 3 column width. Select text tool and add product name and change this text style to H6. Next, copy this product name and change as pricing. We'll change this pricing H6 bold. We'll change it to H6 bold for the pricing. Next, we need 3 circles for the different colors. Let's select ellipse tool and click on the frame. Here we are created 100 pixel height and 100 pixel width circle. Select the circle, and here if you see that width and height, here you can see that one icon constraint properties. If you lock this one, the width and height will change proportionally. Let's say now I pick 20 pixel. Now it's changed width and height at the same time. Let's see preview how big it looks. It looks little bit small. Let's change it to 25 pixel. Okay. Now change this color to red color and duplicate this circle and change to black. Select both circles and apply auto layout. Again, select black circle and duplicate. Change this color to pink color. Now we need to select image, product name, pricing, and circles and apply auto layout. Now we have product card ready. This product card we are going to use their website. That means we are going to reuse this UI element. We'll convert this as a component. Select this auto layout frame. We can rename it as product card and select product card and convert to component. What we'll do, we'll place this component into our component section. Let's drag this to in our component section. Because this is going to be master component, any changes needed, like if we need a product name as a bold, if we change this master component, it will apply entire layout. We'll place in this component section. Now go to home page and go to components and search for product card. Here we have a product card and drag to the frame and duplicate the card. Select both cards and apply auto layout and select second card and duplicate 2 more times. Select heading and product cards and then apply auto layout. Now we will add images and headings and price tags. First we will add images. Go to shape tools and here we have place image to select place image and here I have already saved images. Now strollers, right? We'll select only strollers images. 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 product cards. We need 4 images. Select 4 images and click on open. Now if you see that mouse is showing 4 number, that means we have selected 4 images and 1 image showing preview. Now we have, when you hover over the placeholder, that is rectangle, you see that blue border. That means if you click that image, add to that rectangle. Let's add images. Click on the first one, the image is added. Click on second one, image is added. Click on third one and fourth one. Now we have image is added. Let's see the preview, how it looks. It's looking good for. Let's go to file and change names. For that, we need to go to ChatGPT. Here I have already generated product names and prices. This is the prompt. Give me 10 installer product names and prices. Here ChatGPT suggested 10. Let's copy the first one and come to the Figma and change the first card product name. The same thing, copy the price and change the price. Like that, copy the baby second product name, paste second product name, and the price, third product name, and the price, fourth product name, and the price. Okay, now we have a stroller section is ready. Let's see once preview. It's looking good for. Let's before moving to next section, we will change this heading, hero heading, and subheading color. Select heading and change to light gray. We need to change the white color. Let's break this, change to white color. Select subheading and change to white color. Let's see how it looks. Subheading looks more lengthy. Let's delete subheading. Let's delete text. How can you make it short? Okay, what we'll do, we'll ask ChatGPT, just copy the subheading and paste it and make it short. Okay, here ChatGPT suggested discover top rated dollars and card sheet for your child comfort and your peace of mind. Let's copy this one and see how that much. This is looking better. You'll see the preview. It's looking better now. Now we'll move to the next section. Next we'll create card sheet section. Select the installer section and duplicate. Change this heading to card sheets. Now go to place image and now select card sheets 1, 2, 3, 4 and open. Now we have 4 images ready. Same thing what we did for the installer section. I'll repeat the same. Change images. Now we'll change the names. Here is the prompt. Give me 10 card sheet product names and prices. Let's copy these product names to the Figma. Now I will change product name pricing using ChatGPT. Now we have changed names and pricings. Next we'll create new arrivals and clear sales section. These two sections will divide into 6 column and 6 column. Let's add heading first, new arrivals. Change this text style to H4, H3 normal. Okay, H3 normal and duplicate this again and change to H6 normal. Now we need button. Go to components and search for button primary. Drag the button and change it to secondary. Now go to ChatGPT. Here I have generated a subheading for new arrivals. Give settings for new arrivals. I can copy the discover the latest in safety and style. Copy this subheading and come to the Figma and replace the text. Now select heading, subheading and button. This section height is the new arrival section and make this new arrival section width as a 6 column width. Let's increase the 4, 5, 6 and height some 450 again 450. So now we will add a background image. Go to plugins and search for unsplash. Again search for nuts. Select any one image. Let's I'm selecting this one. Okay, now we'll add one more fill layer on the top of the image fill. Let's add one more and black layer is a black color and opacity change to 40 pixel. Now close this unsplash window. Now we need this heading, subheading and button is going to be bottom left corner. What we'll do, select this auto load frame and in the auto load section select bottom left. Now we need left and bottom margin for the heading, subheading and secondary button sections. Let's go to in auto load section enable individual padding. Let's give them left side padding. So left side padding 50 pixel and bottom padding is 50 pixel. Okay, now we'll change text color. Select new URL text and change to white color, and select subheading and change to white color. Let's take a preview in how it looks. It's looking good now. Copy this new URL section, duplicate this new URL section, and then place it to in another 6 columns. And let's change this heading to clearance sale, and again go to ChatGPT, and here I have generated headings for clearance sale. So I'll copy the clearance sale subheading and paste into subheading section. And we'll change this button names shop now. We will change image for clearance sale. Select clearance sale frame and open Unsplash. Search for clearance sale. You can, here we are seeing different images for the clearance sale. You can select even this one. Let's select this 50% off. Okay, close the splash and do preview. Looking good for new arrival section and clearance section is ready. Select both and apply auto layout. Again, now we need a best seller section. Duplicate car seat section and place under the clearance and new arrivals. Let's change this heading to best sellers. In best sellers, we'll keep both car seats and strollers. Now we have, this is the car seats. Let's delete 2 cards and copy any 2 cards for the stroller, and select car seat card section and press Ctrl V. We have 2 car seats and 2 strollers for best seller section. Now best seller section is ready. Next we have a feature section. Feature 1, feature 2, feature 3. For that we have created tabs, right, from the components. Let's go to components and search for tab. Here tab is back to the frame. Duplicate this tab and change this tab status to default, and select these both tabs and apply auto layout. Again duplicate the default one more time. Now we have 3 tabs. 1 is selected and 2 is unselected. Let's go to ChatGPT and change the text. Here my prompt is give me 3 features and features tabs with heading and subheading. This is the feature 1, heading advanced safety features. For tab we can use as a safety, and the second one is comfort and convenience. For the tab we can just use comfort, and the third one is a stylish and functional design. Let's copy stylish for the tab. So we have 3 tabs ready. Let's change this 3 tabs width to 6 column, and select this tabs frame and rename to tabs. Select tabs frame and hit enter. This will make 3 tabs selected. Now go to right panel and change horizontal resizing hug to fill container. Now the 3 tabs is divided into equal widths of the expanded toward the 12 column. But now we can create a heading, subheading and button and image, and reuse hero section content. Here we have hero section like left and right. First select both and apply auto layout, and copy and press Command D. It's duplicated, and hold shift and drag to the bottom. Now we'll change this background primary color to secondary color, and change text color to black, subheading black, and button going to be secondary. Let's see how it looks. Button is not looking. Button color and background are the same. We'll change background colors to light gray. Let's see how it looks. It's looking better. Let's see button text to remove, and select image and go to plugins and open again Unsplash. Here we'll change photo in front card seats. Okay, select this first one, close Unsplash, and we'll change this heading. Let's go to again ChatGPT, and we'll copy advanced safety features. Copy this heading and paste to, and select this heading and change to H3. Again go to ChatGPT and copy the subheading and paste into Figma. Let's see the preview how it looks. Now it's looking better. Now select tab section and the content section and apply auto layout. Next we'll create frequently asked questions, right? Select the text tool and add heading frequently asked questions. Now we'll add questions expanded and collapsed. Go to components and search for FAQ. Search for FAQ. Here FAQ frame and drag to the file. For FAQ section, we'll use for heading, we'll use 4 columns. 4 columns for heading and another 8 columns for questions FAQ section. Another 8 columns for questions. Select the expanded question frame and duplicate. Change this frame variant to collapsed. Now select expanded and collapsed question and apply auto layout and expanded question and press Command D for 3 more times to create 3 more questions. To change this frame name to FAQ, select FAQ frame and hit enter. Now we selected all child elements and change horizontal resizing hug to fixed width to fill container. Now select FAQ frame and change width to 8 column. Now I'll use ChatGPT and replace this sample question and answers. Now the sample text is changed. Select question and select heading and FAQ section and apply auto layout. Now we are coming to close to end of this homepage design. Next, testimonial text section and footer section. Let's increase the frame size. Now we'll create a testimonial section. First select text and add heading testimonials. Change this heading to H3 and go to ChatGPT. Here I have generated 3 testimonials. Copy the testimony text and draw a text, create a text box and paste and change this text style to H6 and duplicate this text and change to paste, copy the name and paste it. Change this name to H6 bold. Okay. Now select these 3 text layers and apply auto layout. So we need image, right? Let's take a rectangle and create an image placeholder. We'll create in a 3 column width and select both these layers and apply auto layout and change this frame width to 12 column and align content to center. Top and bottom padding is 50 pixel for now. Change fill colors to light gray. Let's see how it looks. Testimonial. Okay, it's looking good. We'll add image. Let's select this rectangle and go to plugins and open Unsplash. Search for portraits. Select any image. We'll add it to the file and close this Unsplash. Now let's see the preview. It's looking good. Coming to file. Now we have a footer section. First, let's add logo. Go to components and search for logo. I generated a footer menu in ChatGPT. Here, footer menu is shop, customer service, about us, and connect. Let's create a footer menu. Copy the shop heading and paste into Figma. Again, copy the shop heading. Copy all menu items for shop and paste it. Change this shop heading to body bold. Select shop menu items and we need a little bit more line height for the shop menu links. Select all links and here if you have applied paragraph text, right, so you need to break that style. Here detached style and here we have a 120%. This make it as 200%. Select this menu item and shop heading and apply auto layout. Duplicate this menu item and select both and apply auto layout. How many we have? We have 1 shop 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Need 5. We select second one and press Command T 3 times. Now I'll change. Okay, now I have changed all the text. Select this footer menu and increase the gap between horizontal gap between items. Select the footer menu and increase the gap between select the footer menu, and if you come to the right panel here, horizontal gap between items, we'll increase this gap until the last menu connect menu reaches to the end of the 12 column. Now select logo and menu and apply auto layout. Our menu will give let's see how it looks. It's looking good so far. Okay, now let's hide this grid. So now we have every section is ready, but if you see that every section has separate layer. So what we will do, we'll select all auto layout frames and apply auto layout. And here we need to make a vertical gap between items as a 0. Now let's see how it looks. Okay, menu is looking good, section looking good, reshipping section looking good. So you see that the card stroller section and card seat section and seller sections need gap between the every section, right? Okay. Now let's select this main auto layout frame and change to 50 pixel. Let's see how it looks. Let's increase our 70 pixel. Okay, 70 pixel looking good, but we don't need space top of bottom of the header and bottom of the hero section. We don't need that space. What we can do here, so we can select header, hero section and free shipping section, apply auto layout, and here we can make it vertical gap between items is as a 0. So if you see here, so there is no gap between menu and hero section. Let's see how it looks. Yeah, now it's looking good. We'll make some small changes, small tweaks. Menu is looking little bit big, one thing, and select menu frame and hit enter. Now that all text layer selected here, we can change text style to body. So the 4 text layers is text size is changing at the same time. So go to footer and select footer, and here add stroke and change to custom is to top. Now we need a top padding, simple individual padding, and increase top padding to space 30 pixel and change stroke color to light gray, and let's see how it looks now. Okay, it's looking good. This is actual size. This is how it looks. So webpage is fully ready. If you from here also can make small changes and create more polished design, but I'm stopping here due to considering video length. I hope you understand how you can create style guide, how you can create components, and how we can use the components and style for high fidelity design. If you have any questions, post your comments in the comment section. See you in your next video. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos.